Hi everyone, Peter here from Mividas. Let's talk about something important. Cisco TMS is going end of life and thousands of organizations still rely on it every single day. If you're running a Cisco-based video environment or is a partner supporting customers, now is the time to plan your TMS replacement. And the good news is you don't have to take any risks. Mividas Rooms is built to be the secure, future-proof replacement you've been waiting for. TMS, or the Tandberg Management System as it was originally called, has been a fantastic tool, but it was designed for a different era. Cisco has announced the end-of-life timeline, and in January 2027 there will be no more support from Cisco. That means security, compatibility and long-term stability become real concerns. Many customers tell us the same thing. We can't afford to run a critical service on aging technology. And they're right. Video infrastructure is way too important. Mividas Rooms was built from day one to fulfill everything TMS was originally intended to do, but with a modern design, deeper functionality and far more powerful future-proof architecture. If you're familiar with TMS, you'll feel right at home immediately. It covers all the capabilities customers rely on from TMS: provisioning, config management, address books, firmware, one button to push, remote control, scheduling, but also adds an entire layer of features that simply didn't exist back then. And importantly, Mividas Rooms is part of the broader Mividas Suite, which also includes our video platform management, the scheduling engine, and Mividas Meeting Portal, giving users a seamless scheduling across Cisco Meeting Server, Webex, and Pexip Infinity in one consistent experience. And this is the moment where I really want your attention, because this is where both customers and partners get excited. With the Mividas Suite, you unlock features that the TMS never had. You'll get full analytics from Mividas Insights, room usage, ghost meetings, people count, capacity trends, advanced scheduling across CMS, Pexip, Webex, including external layouts to other services such as Zoom and Teams via CVI. Panels, macros and branding provisioning for every Cisco room device. Powerful debugging views for support teams. Multi-tenant support for MSPs and large enterprises. API integrations for your own tools and automations. Support for Webex registered devices and two-way sync. This is not just replacing TMS, it's leveling up the entire operations workflow. For public sector, defense, healthcare and finance customers, sovereignty matters more than ever. Mividas can then run fully on-prem, even airgapped, which means that your data, your infrastructure is always under your control. And this is a major reason why customers choose us when TMS goes away. We give them a modern platform without sacrificing security. The question we get from most customers is the migration complex? And the answer is, it's incredibly straightforward. We built Mividas to adopt your existing configurations, address books, templates and workflows. Most customers are up and running within hours, not weeks or months. For partners, TMS End-of-life is a moment to step in with expertise and help customers prepare. Mividas gives you a proven replacement that generates value immediately and builds long-term service engagements around provisioning, analytics and hybrid operations. TMS going on end of life is not a problem. It's a chance to modernize, and we're here to make that journey easy, secure and future-proof. If you're planning your TMS replacement, talk to us. We've helped organizations around Europe and North America evolve from TMS to a modern, hybrid-ready platform, and we'd be happy to support you too. Thanks for watching, and please reach out if you'd like a demo, a migration workshop or a partner enablement session.